Come on up the hill to the cradle of forestry. We got a real nice place here amongst the trees. History, nature, science, what more do you need? Forest-inspired nature discovery.
Another day, more laundry. Always doing laundry. I do not like doing laundry. Ugh. Always doing laundry.
Wow, hi Clay.
Hey, Stephanie.
I hear an awful lot of whining. What are you up to?
I'm doing laundry. I do not like doing laundry.
Well, how do you do laundry now?
Well, I take my dirty clothes and I put them in the machine and I pick the water temperature and I put in my detergent and I turn it on. That's about it, yeah.
It doesn't sound too hard. Where does the water come from?
Oh, it comes from the pipes from somewhere.
And you said that's detergent? Where do you get that?
You have to go to the store, go down to Ingles or something, go buy it.
Well, back in the late 1800s, we did laundry, but it looked very different from this. Would you like to learn how I do laundry?
Please, show me.
Go on.
Let's go.
So here we are at the wash place.
Well, where's the washing machine?
Well, all this equipment is used like the inside of a washing machine. But back in the late 1800s, we didn't have electricity, so most things were run by human power.
All right. Well, let's get started. What do we do first?
Well, first we're gonna need water.
Okay. How much water are we gonna need?
We're gonna need to fill out both these pails and that cast iron pot about halfway.
Where do I get the water?
The creek.
Where's the creek?
Around the corner.
Okay. What are you gonna do while I'm getting all this water?
I'm gonna start a fire under the pot.
A fire? Okay, we're doing laundry. Why are you starting a fire?
Just like you said you needed to worry about the water temperature with the laundry, I'm gonna boil the laundry to get rid of all the dirt and germs on it.
We're gonna boil the laundry.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go find the creek around the corner.
Meet back here in a jiff.
Okay. 23. All right, that should do us for water.
Thank you. I know that was a lot of hard work.
Yes, it really was.
It looks like we're almost ready for the next step. I've got the water and the laundry boiling here.
Yeah, how did you start this fire?
I just struck the fire with some quartz and steel. How do you do it?
Not like that. Okay, what do we do now?
So we're going to transfer this laundry to the washing bin. Let's do that next.
All right, so we got our clothes from the boiling pot into this bucket. Now what do we do?
Now you're going to grab the soap and rub it all over the washboard.
Okay. All right, let's get this soap all rub-a-dubbed on this board here. It sounds like a musical instrument.
It was used as a musical instrument.
Ah, okay. Ooh, Stephanie, this soap feels weird and it's kind of burning my hands.
Yeah, it's lye soap.
Lye soap.
Yep.
Why is it burning my hands like that?
Well, lye burns. We still have it in our soap today, but in your time, there's more things to cover up the burning.
Yeah, I've never felt like that, and it's greasy.
Yeah, so we make that soap ourselves. We actually use wood ash from the fire and mix it with animal fat to make the lye soap.
You make your soap with fat and ashes?
Yes.
Okay, great. All right, so now we've got the soap on the board.
And you're gonna rub the laundry until it gets nice and soapy and sudsy.
Okay, look at those bubbles. Here we go. We're washing clothes. We boiled our clothes and now we're scrubbing them.
Yep, good job.
Okay. All right, so now I've got soapy clothes.
Now you're gonna transfer it to the rinse bin.
Okay, all right. So
Get that soap out, and then you're gonna use your hands to wring out all that water.
Okay, I guess the machine usually does this for me, doesn't it?
Yep.
Okay, all right. Okay.
And next we're gonna use a really fun tool, the wringer.
The wringer? Is this the wringer?
It is. Huh. So we are going to smash the clothes through, and it's going to squeeze out all the extra water and dump it into that bin.
Okay, well let's give it a shot. It seems like you could smash your fingers in there too.
Yes, you could. I want you to put your hands right there.
Okay.
And I'm gonna get it ready. Okay, watch your fingers.
Okay.
I'm gonna twist it through.
Look at it go. Smashing the clothes.
Smashing the clothes. And out comes the extra water.
Look at that. All right, we got our clothes boiled and put through the wringer, and now it's time to dry them. And I don't see a dryer anywhere around here. Right.
Lay them out in the sun to dry.
Yeah, that took a really long time from start to finish.
Back in the time of the Biltmore Forest School, laundry took a good half day to do. And we didn't stop there. We tried to reuse all our resources, like taking the wood ash from the fire to make lye for soap, or taking the old water to mop the floors or even clean a really dirty kid.
Ugh. Well, how often do you do this?
About once a month.
Did you just have a mountain of laundry just sitting for you?
No, I only have 2 shirts and 2 skirts.
That is really different from today for sure.
Well, what did you think of it?
Well, to be honest, I had a lot of fun picking up those mini buckets of water from the creek. I saw fish and salamanders, but I don't know if that's how I want to spend all of my time. So I might stick with my machine, try to whine a little bit less, and use my free time to explore the woods on my own. And the Cradle of Forestry is a great place to do that. You come on up, hang out with me and Stephanie, and we can tell you more about life during the time of the Biltmore Forest School.